morning, everyone. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and I am feeling extra hungry this morning. I have these blackberries sitting in the back of the fridge, slowly turning bad, so I'm going to use it up in a parfait. I love blackberries, not only for their taste, but their impressive health benefits, rich in vitamin C, a great source of vitamin K, and they're surprisingly high in fiber, which helps with bloating and going to the bathroom. I'm also going to be adding bananas, vanilla yogurt, and of course the queen of cereal, granola. Eating something not only nutritious, but delicious is really an amazing way to start the day. I like to have my breakfast planned the day before because it helps me get excited to get out of bed just knowing I have something yummy waiting to be made. And this parfait was truly perfect. The combination of crunchy granola, the creamy and sweet yogurt and bananas, and of course the tart blackberries was an amazing way to start my day. So yesterday, my mom and I made homemade falafel for the very first time, and it was super successful, and she sent me home with some dough batter, falafel mixture, and for lunch today, I'm just cooking them up, and we're gonna see what we're gonna make with it. Also, the recipe is posted as its own video, so I will be leaving that in the description, and at the end of this video, it will be you can click it. So, did you know that falafel is one of the most popular street foods around the world? And rightly so, because it is so delicious. Many believe the falafel originated in Egypt. It was likely consumed by Christians as a meat alternative during Lent. These early versions were probably made with fava beans, and ancient Egyptians didn't deep fry their falafel due to the cost of oil. Alexandria, the second largest city in Egypt, is a port city, which played a crucial role in spreading the falafel across the Middle East. The Palestinian version is made with chickpeas, and it has been adopted into Israel cuisine, where it is featured prominently. The falafel spans centuries, cultures, and ingredients, making it a truly diverse and beloved culinary delight. It's super yummy, especially paired with a salad of cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and then a drizzle of tzatziki, the perfect summer lunch. In the afternoon, I enjoyed a simple and refreshing smoothie with a variety of frozen fruits, some yogurt, and juice. It was a great little sweet treat and the perfect energy boost to get me through an afternoon of work. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's taken for granted all of the hard work our parents do in getting supper on the table. Because, let's face it, after a hard day of work, the last thing we want to do is cut onions and cry. Well, today is the first day that I've truly not wanted to cook for myself. So I decided to make something pretty basic, an egg sandwich. The first thing I'm going to do is cook down a bit of vegetables for some vitamin points, and I just realized that my cutting board kind of looked like the flag of Italy. Another thing that I have to use up is this basil pesto, so I'm going to be adding a dollop to the pan and just cooking this for a few minutes. And then the egg goes on top, and again, it just cooks for a few minutes. I had an oddly hard time opening up this pack of cheese, but my want for the melty goodness persisted, and eventually I was victorious. Once the cheese was on the egg, I just took it off the heat to let it slowly melt, and then I had to toast some bread. Which brings us to another episode of Dangerous Knife Skills. Please don't do this at home. Just a fair warning, this might be the weirdest egg sandwich you've ever seen, but please don't judge me and I won't judge you. First, I put some peanut butter on the toast, and then some freshly washed lettuce, and then our egg goes on top with our melty cheese, and then a little bit of sriracha, and then our final toast goes on top, and it is ready to serve. This sandwich is a 10 out of 10, and if you do not try it, you are really missing out. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope you ate something truly delicious today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're into these types of videos. See you soon!